It's a crafters mga kausok. Good morning, good afternoon, good noon. Depende kung anong oras yung mapapanood to. So nandito tayo ngayon sa Beef Deli in Malolos. Yung kanilang kabubukas lang na branch. At ito nga, sinubukan na natin agad. Yan. Kasama natin si Sir Paul. Yan.
Hello.
Sir Paul yung nagaya eh.
That's it.
That's it. Yan. Ang in-order natin, premium age picanha steak. Yan.
With sausage.
Yan. Kita nyo yan. With sausage. No rice kami. Low carb kami. Low carb. Tikman natin, no? Yan. So, pre-slice na siya. Yan, no? So, itong Beef Deli, they are importing live cattle, tapos locally fattened, tapos locally butchered din, no? Ayan. So, ito yun. Yan, no? Meron pa silang gravy.
Sarap.
Yun. Ayun, no? Natikman na natin to dati during our meet-up.
But this is the age.
Ito yung dry age. Yung doon sa meet-up, sin regular picanha lang siya.
Try the sausage.
Yes. Ayun, spicy sausage. Pero highlight talaga nila dito. Uy, meron din oh, spicy sausage, okay din oh. Ang highlight nila, kasi itong dry age picanha na from Australia, no? Aussie beef, oy oy oy. And very affordable. Sobrang affordable. Kahit yung mga hindi masyadong mahilig sa steak, mapapadalas yung pag-steak niya. Alright? So once again, dito yan sa may Beef Deli Steakhouse in Tikay, Malolos, no? May bagong-bago lang. Katabi ng anong gasolina ba yan? Red Oil. Red Oil Gasoline Station. Alright? Try nyo guys. Alright? Thank you very much and smoke on.